If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next amazing moments. This zebra fought off multiple crocs and still made it to shore. Pure survival instinct in action.
Oh!
In the face of danger, true courage doesn't hesitate. It strikes first. When love is strong enough, even an animal will rise as a brave protector.
Is it? Lo rescato. Sí. Poor girl, like drums. It's you can saludar, niñas. Pone muy rico el ambiente aquí.
Sometimes protection doesn't need words. Just a gentle touch is enough to keep us safe. Reflexes faster than the snake itself. When the king of the island meets the shock of the sea.
What? Duck! Oh my goodness!
This deer gave everything to protect her baby. This lion lost half its body weight after being taken from the woman who rescued and loved it. At the zoo, it refused to eat until it was reunited with its adoptive mother, and pure happiness returned to its eyes. A mother's love, shielding her chicks from every drop of rain. Born with pneumonia and rejected by its mother, This chimpanzee was saved by caring people, and after 2 months, their heartfelt reunion shows an unbreakable bond. While the boy was playing outside with his shepherd dog, the neighbor's dog suddenly tried to attack. Thankfully, his loyal four-legged friend quickly jumped in to protect him. Who needs crossing guards when you've got a dog like this?
有人。
One robot dog in, and the leopard replies with pure cat energy. She thought it was solid ground. The cub just got its first swimming lesson. Came for a nail salon, stayed for the goat perfume. What would you do if you were in this situation?
我操，真的。
他看你开那个摩托车的，帮他拿，
在哪有？
哄他走，拿好，不要抓了，来，何哥，来。
Professional model mode on.
哎呀呀呀，这儿，不为你开了。
An eagle's power on full display. This breathtaking attack on a deer shows nature's raw strength. Two giant titans clash, a raw battle for dominance and the right to mate.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my...
A mother's love knows no fear. This lioness will face anything to protect her cub. Love knows no species. Even elephants show affection with the sweetest kiss. Nature's engineers. Fire ants join together to form a living bridge, helping the whole colony survive the floods. This cuckoo chick pushes out the other eggs to claim the nest. What lesson did you learn from this?